The ghost is ill. You need to take him to the doctor. What? Hey guys, it's me Anya and today we will be doing Horror Story Part 2 because y'all really requested it. So let's just get started. Let's start off with something interesting. Yesterday I wrote the number 69 on my wrist as a joke. Today it's 68 and now it's not washing off. So basically it's your timer of how long you gotta live. So basically you had 69 days to live yesterday and now it's 68. So that's nice. Okay, this is really freaky. I came home after a week-long trip away and took a shower. I pressed the only towel in my room against my face and discovered it was already wet. So there was clearly someone home in your absence. That's nice. Alone in my room, I sneezed softly. Bless you, someone said. Well, at least, what the heck? Well, at least someone cares about you. The next one, I begin tucking him into bed and he tells me, Daddy, check for monsters under my bed. I look underneath for his amusement and see him, another him, under the bed, staring back at me, quivering and whispering, Daddy, there's somebody on my bed. So basically the monster is on the bed and the kid is hiding underneath. I think that's what it means. But this is creepy. Okay, this is scaring me. Damn, this is... Yeah. We smiled proudly as our daughter went on her bus for her first day of school. Our hearts dropped when the real bus arrived 2 minutes later. So basically, your daughter just got kidnapped while you were there. That's sad. Okay, I love these clap-on lights. Just one problem with them. When I clap to turn them on, something under my bed claps to turn them off. Please, stop. Stop. Okay. As a biologist, I love all my animals, but I sometimes wonder to myself if any of them still remember that they used to be human. What the hell? I saw a severed arm in the dumpster, if that's how you pronounce it. It gave me a thumbs up when I walked by. How is that even possible? Because the arm is cut off, so it doesn't work anymore. Okay, but this is really creepy anyways. The upstairs neighbors are awfully noisy. I told my landlord, it's been vacant for months. So you do have neighbors, but they're probably ghosts. So that's great. I had a dream that a man was watching me sleep from outside my bedroom window. When I woke up, I found footprints inside, next to my bed. No. Please stop. I think this is something I would do. I mean, I do. So, yeah. I like to sing in the shower sometimes. That is what I was talking about. When I got out of the last one, the fogged up mirror read, You have a lovely voice. I live alone. Well, at least you're getting complimented for your voice. That's interesting. I would like that, but it's kind of creepy too. I mean, it is creepy AF. Yeah. My wife just ran in to ask me if I was okay because she could hear my terrible coughing fit from across the house. I wasn't coughing. Well, the ghost is ill. You need to take him to the doctor. My husband woke me up by kissing my cheek when he got home late. This morning I checked my phone. He stayed with a friend last night. So who's there? I want to know. Well, someone cares about you. Even if it is a ghost. Like, yeah, you have an admirer. Admirer? English, please. Okay, the grinning face stared at me from the darkness beyond my bedroom window. I live on the 14th floor. This is why Even living on the top floor is creepy. I live on the 17th floor, so I can personally say I am. Yeah, but okay, no, I don't have experience. I was about to say that. What the hell is wrong with me? So, this horror story my mom is gonna read to us. So, mom, please do the honors.
Officer, I just looked away for a second and my baby was gone. I sobbed helplessly. That's better. I sounded much more convincing this time. I thought with a smile and I finally picked up the phone to call the police.
So, what happened to the baby?
Baby was not there. She was just pretending.
Yeah, that is right. This is creepy little bit, right? Like she's pretending that her own baby is gone.
Yeah, she must be a little mental also. You never
Yeah,
know.
she must be a little mental. Perfect. The wailing from the baby monitor just won't stop. Problem is, my daughter is with her mother this weekend, over 200 miles away. What the hell? Wait, guys, just 1 second. Okay. It's fine, guys. It was just my foot. I accidentally knocked off this like pen drive with some rings of mine. I don't know what the hell is this doing here. Don't worry, guys. It's nothing. Just relax. That freaked me out though. I didn't realize that happened. Yeah, I'm okay. So thank you so much for watching today's video and hope you enjoyed. I'm really sorry if I'm a little inactive. It's just because my exams are going on. And I really want to thank you all so much for 150 subscribers. I have 155 at the moment, but thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I have been on YouTube for like 3 years now, and this is such a big achievement. Even though some people might not think of 155 as a big number, but if you imagine it in a room full of people, that's a lot of people. So hope you enjoyed and bye. Have a great day, night, evening. I have to say that.